to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to do a Easter centerpiece. There are 5 things that you need. You need waffle cones, you need marshmallows, you need vases and some green grass, and chocolate candies. So you're going to take your waffle cones, and 2 of them, and you're going to put it in your vase. Now, we're going to fill these up with some marshmallows. We're filling these up with marshmallows because we don't want to use all of these up. So we're going to take chocolate eggs to make it like a bird's nest. These are very simple to do for Easter for centerpieces. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments, and Happy Easter.